Welcome to my channel, Berks TV. Mga ligo, men. Yan, mga ka-Berks na ko. Si Balagoy. Si Kiling. Si Baby. Mag-swimming me, guys. Hala ko. Diyan ko kay Buntingog. Hala, tanawa ang kuan. Gilumot, oh. I have a buddy going to swim here. It's already 4:30 PM but it's very sunny. So, init kayo. Maitom si Jessica. Si Jessica maitom. 4:30 na. 4:30 PM. It's so sunny day. Uy, matabang tagdiraan na. Basinatay ko na libreng isda. Yeah. Guys, there's a lot of algae. Oh, it's dirty today. There's a lot of algae here. We will swim. Swim, swim, swim. Ta-da! Ha? Daghan kayo, no? Swimming ka. Ang inahan. Dalan ang imong anak inahan. Wala, nanguyog ra ni sila ay. Swim-swim din sila, oh. Wala. Wala, langoy pa more. Tada! Wow, it's very... Oh, kabalo ka malangoy? Kabalo ka malangoy? Wala ka. Kabalo siya malangoy, Kiling. Mama, oh. Kandi ko ni mong mama, pet. It's cold. Parat kayo, parat. Puro buyag. Oh. Baludoy, tara dito nag-sim-sim. Hi guys. Hi guys, ayan.
Hi guys.
Nanguyog na mo guys. Nanghid naman sa inyong mama guys.
First time.
Oy, nanguyog. Liguan na tipuan. Salom na. Now, dili tugnaon manggug ka basta di ka mo salom. Sige, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Si Fit. Ang bata. Ayan, ang kapa. Kaya wapa na uli. Ayan, nagligo-ligo pa si Fit. Ang swimming ka. Na. Sige, isalom na.
Alalak. Salom kayo.
Wala, balod na. Balod. Hello, water. Hello. Ay, mabaw raman day diri, oh. It's so mabaw. Yeah. So, it's not deep here, this side. I don't understand why. Why they're already far here. Ayan. It's already nearly 5 PM. Look at the sun. So, ta-da! Maybe taga hips na siya this side. It's already farther. Yeah. It's April 11, 2024 guys. We're swimming with my neighbors. She bring her daughter and the other children. They really follow us. Ayan. So there's a boat today. It's Thursday. My God, it's cold. It's sunny, but it's cold the water. So, welcome here in Baybay Galas, Dipolog City. It's very calm, the water. na kayo guys. Look at that. Hoy! Ling! Ling! Dito ra mo dapit sa kuan Ling. Si kuan ba? Si manghod ni mo. Wala ka. Nabutang isa. Ang tendera. Nag-swimming ra. Sales girl. Swimming time. Yan. Ayan. Customer na ko si Faith.
Pala
Yan ang
utang.
customer pala utang. Lapit na? Yes! Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Ito man ang barko. Tarong nga kong video fit. Magbutang mo anak. Ibutang ninyo. Ayan, malarga na sila. Roro Airport. Wala na yun, kuan? Katong mudtingog? Or katong makina?
Wala.
Wala. Let's zoo. Tarang bata. Allah. Wow, taga-tiil ra ni Fit Fit.
Hawa?
Da. Taga-tiil ra sa bata. Fit, you like to swim? Wow! Walking ang bata. Ang bata.
Kailangan din siya manambahan ba ka ng balon?
Oh.
Ayun ako dito.
Oh, practice kag swim ha. Kay na nakas na dagat doon. Taga-tuhod ra gyud niyo.
Taman dito.
Mabaw kayo. Maybe 5 now, 5:30. And look at the sun. We're waiting for the sunset. Sunset. Yun, it's nice to swim here. It's not a lot of people. We're not swimming in Easter Sunday because it's a lot. There's a lot of people. And now we're sunset.
Halati against the ocean. Against the sun.
Sige te, sige te. Sige na, ana ra sa sunset.
Wow.
Yes!
Ang saan kayo nagpa-picture? Nandit kayo ka-picturean te.
I-touch ang screen. I-touch mo. Waiting for the sunset. Single karon kay ang bata to as papa. Ang bata to sa papa. Yan si Jessica guys. My neighbors. We're going to swim here next time. Next time na pa. Next time. Wow. Lalam na ta.
Alam na yun.
Hi guys! Hi guys, ayun! Hi guys! Lalom na kay mi. Mga dito na ta sa mabaw.
Tara.
Let's go!
Kabalo po kumana.
Balo ka malangoy. Let's go swim, swim. Look at that. Look at that. Ano?
Gite,
Sige,
gite.
sige, sige, sige. Sige, sulod. Ayan. Wait, wait. Tarong ka. Pero nga tagpakuan. Sige, sulod na lang. Yan guys, thank you for watching. We're going home na. It's already nearly 6 p.m. Already the sun already set.